Good day, back to your screen, and here we go again for the NCR Palaro edition. Now NCR Palaro 2024, and we are right here at UPES or Upper Bicutan Elementary School to attend the pep rally. Ayan, so shout out sa lahat ng mga coaches and trainers, and as well as officiating officials just like me. Shout out sa lahat ng mga badminton team all the way from Taguig, Sir Domingo and Sir Soren, ayan, of Upper Bicutan. So we are here. We start meeting. Kagagaling lang natin dyan kasi dyan lang kami lang ng UPES division. Kinuha natin lahat ng mga parade uniform and everything. Ayan. So thank you so much sa City Government of Taguig, headed by our very own Mayor Largy Atilani Lopez Cayetano, sa mga libre na uniform na naman na laro ng Tapat. Ayan. Go Tapat, go for the gold for this year's NCR Palaro 2024 na magsisimula na sa April 22 to 26. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga advanced games. Ayan, so congratulations for Jeff Welldown, lahat ng mga maglalaro. So let's see what happened on this our 4 days afternoon pep rally right here and only here at Upper Bicutan Elementary School. Bye for now mga questioners, and I'll be back to your screen in quite a bit. Si Renzo.